Like further up here is where the breakaway happened. I just spoke to a gentleman that was like in front of his house trying to like create a channel to move the water flow. Yeah, I'm all good.
I'm AJ Johnson, about 14 Reed Road, 9 miles. One day, this is what you see.
Talk up for me.
I'm just a returning resident and just here a few days now. And this is what I come to be a part of. It's, as a matter of fact, it is much worse earlier on. It was much worse earlier on.
So what exactly has happened today?
What will happen? The riverbed needs to be drenched, needs to be cleaned and cleaned properly, not how they normally clean it, so they normally make a passage for the water to go through. Normally, I'm living here now over 50 years. Like they normally take it out, but now what they're doing, they just make a channel for the water to run. And as you can see how wide the river is, whenever the river comes down, it is just as wide as this. When they make a normal little channel, all the water, they just take them back all the silt and put it back in the bed and rise the bed, and this is the end result.
So I saw you earlier with a shovel. What exactly were you doing out here?
I was just trying to divert the water channel to avoid the water from coming inside the premises. So like you say, that side, once you say that side, it won't be a problem for me. But once you come inside it on the premises, it's going to create havoc for both myself and the next door neighbor and the adjoining neighbor to go straight on. So I'm just trying to avoid that for the moment.
I see.
I don't know if I will have to be out here for the whole night, but if it takes me the whole night to be out here, I'll be out here for the entire night just to get this done.
I see.
I have my kids them to ensure that they're safe. That's my responsibility.
Have you considered evacuating?
Well, I have no intention of evacuating that. Well, I will let the kids them evacuate, but I will stay. I will fight it out. That's not a problem.